Hi, my name is Michael Rivera, and today I will be presenting Bandwagon as a persuasive technique. First, I will be defining bandwagon. The bandwagon technique suggests that just because a large majority of people agree on something, you should agree too. This technique encourages the listener to think that because everyone else does something, you should too, or you will be left out. Everyone wants to be a part of the crowd, and no one wants to be left behind. That's the thinking, anyways, with the bandwagon approach to persuasion. Bandwagon works on the human psychology of wanting to belong. The first example we got here is a McDonald's billboard that says billions and billions served. This phrase has been used on print media and in billboards across the world, and its main purpose is to tell potential customers that they need to join the 99 billion customers that have embraced the brand and consumed their products. This approach is quite effective in creating a positive appeal on various products because most people have a strong desire to be a part of a trend in a market. McDonald's company is one of those companies that have traditionally used this approach to attract more customers. The second example we got here is a Nike ad that says, "Just do it everyone else did." This image is another great example of an advertisement using the bandwagon technique because Nike is using this to get people's attention. Nike says that everyone is buying their products, so you should too. Nike suggesting that everyone has their products will influence the consumer's perspective because the information that is available in this ad is telling them that if they want to fit in, they should purchase their products. As a result of this occurrence, many companies have become more and more cautious of these psychological marketing strategies, and they use them to make a bigger profit. These are the references that I found, and that would be all. Thank you all for your attention.